Managing two separate computer setups, typically a corporate laptop for the day job and a high-powered desktop for personal use or gaming, usually leads to an absolute mess of cables, duplicate keyboards, and constant monitor input toggling. The TobenONE KVM switch and dual HDMI docking station is engineered specifically to eliminate that friction. It bridges the gap between a traditional multi-port docking station and a hardware KVM switch. Instead of just letting you hook up peripherals to one machine, this device acts as a central command station, allowing two computers to share two 4K displays and 5 high-speed USB devices, switching between hosts seamlessly with a single click. I ended up receiving this product from my honest review and testing. Alright, so the first thing we have is really nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable. We have DisplayPort to HDMI. Since my desktop only has one HDMI and you're supposed to use two, this is what I'm gonna use. Then we have power adapter, 36 watts, and this will only give power to the KVM switch. And then we have the wire switch. This is to switch from one PC to another one. And one final cable, we have USB-C to USB Type-A. And then finally, we also do have the quick start guide. Alright, first impression, definitely has some good amount of weight. We do have the metal going all the way around. And I gotta say, it looks very attractive. This is gonna be the front that's gonna be facing you. So let's start with that side first. Now we do have another switch. So this is gonna do the same thing as the, let me just find it, this switch. So if you end up tucking this in the table and it's not very reachable, you can end up plugging this in and have it closer to you so you can switch from the desktop to laptop. This is where you're going to plug it in. Then we do have the lights for desktop and the laptop. And then here we do have two USB Type-A's. These are 10 gigabits per second, so perfect for data transfer, so you can connect USB sticks or the external hard drives. And here we have USB-C. I believe this is also 10 gigabits per second. And this would also give you power delivery 15 watts. So if you want to charge your phone, you can do that. And then we have the headphone jack and USB Type-A for the keyboard and mouse. Now on the back is where the magic happens, and it might look a little bit complicated, but it's actually pretty easy. So the first one is DC in. This is where you're gonna plug in the adapter that came inside the box. Then we do have the laptop section. You're gonna go USB-C to USB-C. Now this has compatibility with Windows, Chrome OS, I believe Linux laptops. It would also work with the Mac OS, but it only supports one monitor if you do plan on using this with the MacBooks. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there's not enough power with the adapter to charge your laptop, so you will have to plug in your laptop charger into here. When it comes to the desktop, it uses two HDMIs. Now mine only has one and the DisplayPort, so we're gonna be using this adapter here. And then you're gonna go USB-C to USB Type-A, and again, they did include the cable. And then finally, we do have two HDMIs to connect to your monitors. It's really nice they labeled everything and made it really simple. Alright, so I just finished connecting everything as I mentioned earlier. A couple things I wanted to mention. I am using this smaller 15.6-inch monitor. I did end up putting the 4K monitor, but it just wouldn't fit on my camera screen, so I had to pull it back and just decided for the video to use this 15.6. And one interesting thing is if you're using mini HDMI to HDMI on this portable monitor, you do have to give it power. So I just ended up plugging it in on the front of this KVM switch, and it did power the whole monitor, so that was pretty impressive. Now on the left side, I do have my gaming desktop. I will switch back and forth between the two. And on the right side, I do have the regular Chromebook. So I'm using this with Windows and Chrome OS at the same time. Now to understand if this KVM dock fits your workflow, let's break down the core technology and the structural hardware it brings to your desk. So the first thing I want to talk about is the dual monitor display and the ADID emulation. So this supports dual HDMI outputs up to 4K 60 Hz at the same time. This ensures that the text remain very sharp for productivity work and media or casual gaming looks fluid. Now, if you're not familiar with the ADID emulation technology, this is a crucial underrated feature. Traditional KVM switches often disconnect the monitor from the computer you just switched away from, causing your open windows to shift, resize, or cram themselves onto a single screen when you switch back. Built-in extended display identification data, or ADID for short, emulation tricks both computers into thinking they're permanently connected to the monitors. When you toggle back and forth, your desktop layouts remain exactly where you left them. Now the second feature is the high-speed peripherals and power delivery. The unit features 5 USB ports with the primary data lanes capable of speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. This is fast enough to run external NVMe SSDs, capture cards, or high-resolution webcams without bandwidth choking. It also leaves dedicated bandwidth for lag-free input from mechanical keyboards and gaming mouse. And that's exactly what I was using in this video, and it worked pretty good obviously on the gaming PC, but it also worked pretty great on the Chromebook. And finally, this has pretty good execution and physical controls. So instead of reaching across your desk to hit a button on the chassis, which is often tucked away behind a mass of cables, TobenONE includes a small, puck-like wired remote. You can mount it right at the edge of your desk or next to your keyboard for instantaneous blind toggling. So ultimately, the TobenONE dual monitor KVM docking station delivers best of both worlds scenario. During the day, it serves as a robust productivity hub, letting you spread spreadsheets and source code across 2 pristine 4K displays while keeping your laptop charged. The moment the clock strikes 5, a single press of the wire remote flips your entire ecosystem, displays, audio, mouse, mechanical keyboard, and high-speed storage over to your desktop or gaming rig. By eliminating the clutter of redundant hardware and solving the annoying window shuffling issue with ADID emulation, it delivers a clean, efficient, and cohesive workspace. If your goal is to maximize your dual system workflow without sacrificing that space or performance, this is exactly the kind of utility piece that anchors a modern home office.